Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video lecture, I will discuss the topic feedback devices, meaning, types, and criteria for effective feedback devices in education. Assessment in the pedagogy of education is a dynamic process that involves evaluating and providing feedback to learners. Feedback devices play a crucial role in this process, offering a mechanism to communicate information about the learner's performance and guide their educational journey. Let's explore the meaning, types, and criteria for effective feedback devices in the context of education. Let us try to understand the meaning of feedback devices. Feedback devices in education serve as invaluable tools or mechanisms that bridge the communication gap between educators and students, relaying crucial information about performance, comprehension, and progress. These devices play a central role in the pedagogical process, offering a dynamic means of understanding and improving student learning outcomes. In the context of assessment, feedback devices contribute significantly to fostering a continuous and iterative learning cycle, allowing students to refine their understanding and skills. Key functions of feedback devices in education. 1. Insights into performance. Feedback devices provide real-time insights into student performance, allowing educators to gauge how well students are grasping the material or mastering specific skills. Whether through online platforms, interactive tools, or traditional assessments, these devices offer a window into the learning process. 2. Identification of strengths and weaknesses. By relaying information about individual performances, feedback devices help identify both strengths and weaknesses. Educators can pinpoint areas where students excel and those that require additional attention. This insight is instrumental in tailoring instructional approaches to suit the diverse needs of learners. 3. Continuous monitoring and adjustment. The continuous nature of feedback devices enables ongoing monitoring of student progress. Educators can adapt their teaching strategies based on real-time data, making adjustments to address emerging challenges or capitalize on areas of success. This adaptability supports a student-centric approach to learning. 4. Facilitation of formative assessment. Formative assessment, integral to the learning process, is greatly facilitated by feedback devices. These devices offer immediate information on student understanding, allowing educators to make timely interventions, clarify concepts, and guide students toward mastery before summative assessments. 5. Engagement and motivation. Interactive and engaging feedback devices contribute to student motivation. Whether through gamified platforms, interactive quizzes, or multimedia elements, these devices create a positive learning environment, fostering a sense of accomplishment and encouraging students to actively participate in their educational journey. Now let me discuss the types of feedback devices in education. Types of feedback devices in education encompass a diverse range of tools and mechanisms designed to relay information about student performance, understanding, and progress. Here is an in-depth exploration of various types of feedback devices used in education. 1. Digital learning platforms, online platforms, and learning management systems, LMS, are equipped with various feedback mechanisms. These platforms offer visual feedback through progress trackers, badges, and real-time analytics. They provide insights into completion rates, time spent on tasks, and overall engagement. Example: Google Classroom, Moodle, Canvas. 2. Interactive whiteboards. Interactive whiteboards are used in classrooms to facilitate dynamic teaching and learning. Educators can provide real-time visual feedback by annotating content, highlighting key points, and interacting with digital resources. These boards enhance engagement and allow for collaborative learning experiences. Example: Smart Board, Promethean Board. 3. Response systems. Clickers. Response systems, commonly known as clickers, enable students to respond to questions posed by educators in real time. These devices collect and display responses instantly, providing visual feedback to both students and instructors. Clickers promote active participation and engagement during lectures. Example, Turning Point, Poll Everywhere. 4. Learning Analytics Tools. Learning analytics tools analyze data generated by students' interactions with educational content. These tools generate visual reports on engagement, progress, and areas that may need attention. Learning analytics contribute to formative assessment and help educators tailor their instructional strategies. Example, Tableau, Brightspace Analytics, Power BI. 5. Smart devices, tablets, laptops. Smart devices serve as versatile feedback tools in education. Through interactive applications and touchscreens, students receive visual and sometimes tactile feedback. These devices support a variety of educational apps and platforms that provide personalized learning experiences. Example, iPad, Microsoft Surface, Chromebook. 6. Learning management systems, LMS platforms are comprehensive tools that manage, deliver, and track educational content. They offer visual feedback on completed modules, assignments, and assessments. LMS platforms often include discussion forums and messaging systems to facilitate communication between educators and students. Example, Blackboard, Canvas, Moodle. 7. Online assessment platforms. Online assessment platforms provide a digital space for quizzes, tests, and assignments. These platforms deliver immediate feedback to students, often accompanied by detailed explanations of correct and incorrect answers. They support a variety of question formats and are widely used for both formative and summative assessments. Example, Kahoot, quizzes, Google Forms. 8. Augmented reality, AR, apps. AR apps bring virtual elements into the real-world environment, enhancing learning experiences. These apps can provide visual overlays with additional information, turning physical objects into interactive educational tools. AR feedback devices offer immersive and engaging learning opportunities. Example, AR flashcards, Elements 4D. 9. Video feedback platforms. Video feedback platforms allow educators to provide personalized feedback to students through recorded video messages. This form of feedback is particularly effective for conveying nuanced information, explanations, and encouragement. Example, Flipgrid, WidGrid. 10. Gamified learning platforms. Gamified learning platforms integrate elements of game design into educational content. These platforms offer visual feedback in the form of points, badges, and rewards to motivate students. Gamification encourages healthy competition and engagement. Example, Classcraft, Kahoot, Duolingo. What are criteria for effective feedback devices in education? Effective feedback devices in education play a pivotal role in facilitating learning, guiding instructional strategies, and promoting student engagement. Here is an in-depth exploration of the criteria for effective feedback devices in education. 1. Immediate and timely. Feedback devices should provide information promptly. Immediate feedback allows students to reflect on their performance while the information is still relevant and can influence their understanding. 2. Constructive and specific. Effective feedback is constructive and provides specific guidance on areas of strength and improvement. Vague or generic feedback may not be actionable for students seeking to enhance their performance. 3. Individualized. Feedback should be tailored to the individual learning styles, preferences, and needs of students. Recognizing and addressing the unique characteristics of each learner enhances the impact of feedback. 4. Goal-oriented. Feedback devices should align with educational goals and objectives. The information provided should help students understand how their efforts contribute to achieving specific learning outcomes. 5. Engaging and motivational. Interactive and engaging feedback devices contribute to student motivation. Gamified elements, rewards, or positive reinforcement can create a positive learning environment and encourage active participation. 6. Accessible and inclusive. Feedback devices should be accessible to all students, irrespective of their abilities, background, or learning preferences. Inclusivity ensures that every learner can benefit from the feedback provided. 7. Customizable. Customization allows educators to adapt feedback devices to the unique needs of their students and the learning context. The ability to tailor feedback ensures its relevance and effectiveness. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokeen Bilal.